That's illegal what he's doing right there. You're not allowed to pull that bush down. You know what that bush is called?
Jason, are you okay?
I'm gonna push my pants.
I'll tell you, it's a fight. But you're gonna be good. It's a fight.
Oh yeah, nice.
My support base. Go, guys, come on.
Go, come.
Inside, guys. Come on.
Inside. Come. Let's
It's
go.
not the place for you right now.
Come. Inside.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
David, come here.
My palm trees.
You hold this.
I'm going to push my pants. Is that
No,
all?
it's not fair.
Is that we can do?
It's a lot of work. Let me tell you.
Jason, nobody asked you to do this, did they? Did David ask you to do this? Hold this camera.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
No, 2 hours all the time.
This is too not nice. We have it done in 2 hours. We're gonna have a big mess to clean up. Do you want to saw? Oh my god, Peter. Do you want a saw?
Yeah, have you got one?
Yeah.
I'm all about the saw.
No.
It's electric though.
Yeah, bring it.
Maybe clean.